So, you're non binary. What does that mean? It means that everything I see is a rainbow to me, a spectrum. That shit ain't black and white. That I see life and death in life because I have felt dead while breathing and I have embraced death to feel alive. It means that my hands have labored, undoing the fabric woven of the pink blanket, swaddling my body since birth, swallowing my soul since birth, pretending to provide comfort, warmth, security, until I burned up and clawed at my skin, bleeding all over this blanket until I realized my body was not the problem. It means that I have ran and still run, dug to the core of the earth and crawled back out the pit in search of my history, ancestry, validation of my existence, away from hatred, rejection, into the arms of my siblings and back into myself. It means that I am the longest running record player, repeating to myself each day, each misgendering, each she, each her, each stare, that I have a right to exist, that I am valid, that I am worthy, that I breathe the same air as you, that I am love, I am light. It means that I will laugh in the face of your ignorance and feel sorrow as I see your cage. Because I can hold the multiplicity, the spectrum of emotion, because I know what it's like to both love and hate yourself, because amongst my rage, I still want to dismantle your cage. Because I know that nothing is more valuable, more precious, more life-giving than freedom.